Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to the DEPR Phase 1 Practice Question Mock Test Series. The question that I want to discuss today is the following. You need to go ahead and you need to find the area under the curve. And you are given three equations here, right? The first equation goes ahead and says y is equal to 1. The second equation says y is equal to root x plus 1. And the third equation says y is equal to 7 minus x. Let us try to solve this question. Please do it with me. So if I just go ahead and I start plotting, this is x-axis, y-axis. The first says y is equal to 1. The second says y is equal to root x plus 1. So y is equal to root x plus 1. Now, whenever you will find root of anything, it should be positive. So when I start finding root of 0, I will get y as 1. So when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 0, y is 1. Is this clear? Okay. Now, suppose I take x to be 4. What will be y beta? Root 4 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So when x will be, y will be 3. When x will be this, y will be 3. So you can just see that it will come out to be a curve, right? This is the kind of curve that you will be going ahead and getting. Just take some more points and try. There is no harm in it, right? You can always go ahead and take more points and you can try using more points also, right? So this is y is equal to root x plus 1. Okay. Now let us go ahead and draw the next curve. So this is y is equal to 7 minus x. So when x is 0, y is 7. When y is 0, x is 7. So somewhere over here, right? So you need to find the area. This is 7, huh? You need to find the area bounded by these three curves. It means you need to find this thing. To find this area, but just look very carefully. This is a curve. Right? Yes, a curve. This is not a triangle. Don't try to form a triangle here. इसको थोड़ा curvy बना देते हैं. ऐसा है ना? So what I can do, I can just split this in two parts. Just look very carefully. I can split it in two parts. I can find the area of part A, right? And I can find the area of part B. Right? To find these areas, I need this point beta. So what is this point telling me? This is the intersection of this curve and this curve. So how can I find the intersection? One tells me y is equal to root x plus 1. Another tells me y is equal to 7 minus x. So 7 minus x is equal to root x plus 1. So 7 minus 1 is equal to root x plus x. So 6 is equal to root x plus x, right? Is it clear? Let's solve this out. Let's square both sides. 36 is equal to root x plus x whole square. So use the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 36, right? Alternatively, what you can go ahead and do, अगर ये थोड़ा difficult लग रहा है, what you can do is let root x be y. So root x whole square will be y square. So x will be equal to y square. And you can just rewrite this thing. Y plus y square is equal to 6. ऐसे पढ़ लो. ठीक है. So you will get y square plus y minus 6 equal to 0. Y square plus, now 6 is better 2 into 3, right? So plus 3y minus 2y minus 6 equal to 0. Y plus 3 minus 2, y plus 3 equal to 0. y minus 2, y plus 3 equal to 0, y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Now, under root of something is equal to y. Now, the y cannot be negative. That means under root 2 will be 2. Under root x will be 2. And x will be 2 square, which means 4. X will be 4. So, ये जो हमारा intersection point आ गया है, this intersection point that I have here, this should be 4 beta. ये intersection point is 4. Right? And when your x is 4, तो y will be 3. तो यहाँ पे आ गया 3. ठीक है? अच्छा, let's find out this last point also. What about this point? Very simple. This point is intersection between this curve and this curve. So when y is 1, ये curve बोलता है y is equal to 7 minus x. So when y is 1, what will be x? 6. Right? तो यहाँ पे x आ गया 6. Clear? So this coordinate is 6, 1. This coordinate is 4, 3. Now let us try to think about the two areas. अब हमें इन दो areas का बात करना है. So I'm going to think about area A first, beta. If I integrate this curve between 0 to 4, I will get this area. And if I subtract this part, then I will get area A. Okay. What is this part? ये वाला area कितना होगा? Length into breadth. 1 into 4. That means 4. Right? So let's integrate this curve. Between 0 to 4. And let us go ahead and subtract 4. This will give me area of A. What will be integration of root x, beta? So x to the power half का integration हो जाएगा. X to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 from 0 to 4. Integration of 1 will be x from 0 to 4 minus 4. So this is going to be to 8 into 2 by 3 plus 4 minus 4, 16 by 3. This area will be 16 by 3. Okay. Okay. Now let's talk about the next area, beta. This area B. ये तो एक triangle ही है. So half into base into height. Right? What is the base, beta? 2. ये 6 है ना? ये 4 है. 2. What is the height? ये 3 है, ये 1 है. 2. So what will be area of B, beta? Half into base into height. 2. So what can we say about total area? 16 by 3 plus 2. 16 plus 6 by 3. 22 by 3. The correct answer to this question will be 22 by 3. That's the answer to this question. Okay? All right. Thank you.